All right, so for our collage in this unit, I think we're going to try the Adobe Spark. See if we can get into it. AdobeSpark.com /make/photo collage maker. Design your free collage now. I would continue with Google. And I would click on my district's Google account. I would say you are from an enterprise. You're the Osseo 279 school district. Let's see if it works. Cool. Let's see, what are we're gonna either do an Instagram story or a poster. I don't know. We'll try an Instagram story. I have my 3 pictures, but they're in my Google Drive. Okay, so I have to go into my Google Drive. And I believe I save them in my triptych folder. So I have a BC Studio Advanced Photography folder, and I made a folder for my triptych pictures, and there are my 3 edited versions. Sweet! So if I right click, I can download edited 5234. I can right click and download edited 5236. That looks a little dark. And then I can download 5288. So now we'll upload. I'm in my downloads. Let's see, can I do all 3 at the same time? These 3. Open. I held down the shift button and clicked on the 3. Next. You can really use any collage site that you are comfortable with. It doesn't have to be this one. I just thought we try it out. The Be Funky has collage sites too, but the layout with the 3 pictures is locked, and so they wanted us to pay for that, and I said no. All right. This one's kind of slow, isn't it? Okay, so it finally loaded. It actually put the pictures kind of where I would have put them. I don't want that writing. And to me, how can I delete those words? I don't want those. That looks okay. It's a little dark on the editing, but it works. Let's see, how do I save this? Download maybe? I would download it as a PNG, or you could maybe try sharing it. There's a share option over here. mypost.jpg. So there it is. That looks kind of cool. So then if I go back to my Google Drive, I can click on the plus and I can upload that file. It's my post. Is it in here? My post. It's going to be different on the Chromebooks. I know everything is connected to the drive, but that's how I would make my collage. So there I have my collage in my Google Drive, and then I'll put it on my website and write a little artist statement about it.